Hello everyone, GRAIL is launching a new AI agent named ApexCall. ApexCall aims to become the best assistant for you to reach whatever your goal is. Let me show you how it works. Unlike some agent tools that requires additional devices or complex external setups, ApexCall runs in your browser with only the system server, fully private to you. Once you open the workspace, everything is already here, your environment, your data, and all your work just in one place. Let's get started with choosing a model. We have 3 different model over there, and I'm going to choose GPT 5.4. For example, I want to study AI anxiety and its impact on college students' career using Reddit data. Please find the relevant data sets for me. ApexClaw will understand the task, search the web, and generate a step-by-step plan. Okay, let's see what ApexClaw gives to me. It finds the best fit Reddit datasets with specifically what it is and the reason why it's useful. ApexClaw also provided strong companion survey datasets. In addition, there are some recommendations for my project and suggestions for the next steps. Okay, let's do the second one. I want to download AI anxiety among university students. Before analysis, let's take one more step. I want ApexClaw clean the datasets and prepare it for analysis, handling missing values and standardizing the variables. While ApexClaw is running, you can click View Files here. On the left sidebar, you can see all the codes, all the data that ApexClaw generates. Also, it allows you to upload or just drag a file over there. It provides you a preview window for the file you just dragged in. It's very convenient, so you don't have to open another preview window to see your files. You can do everything here just in one workspace. Now, instead of manually writing code, let's have ApexClaw run the analysis. Even though the current conversation is running, you can always open new conversations, click the plus sign, and also you can use the time circle to go back to the previous conversation. One thing I'd like to mention about ApexClaw is the ability of coding. You can see that over here. It's actually generating the code and executing it in its own environment. There's no setup required, everything is pre-installed, and you can even inspect or modify code if you want. Let's visualize these findings to make them easier to interpret. Let's see what ApexClaw gives to us. Under the final visualizations, we can see the bar chart over there and the correlation. A valuable feature I'd like to mention is the built-in skills of ApexClaw. With typing a slash, you can see all the skills here with the specific descriptions. I'll use the pollers to run a group analysis across different variables. This is the output and the main findings that ApexClaw gives to us. You can see that in the fields for the specific result. It also provides some insights based on the group analysis. In sync conversation, you can use multiple skills at the same time. For more advanced users, ApexClaw also supports MCP servers where you can connect your own infrastructure. But for most of the workflows, what's really powerful is the customer skills. What we have just done, data cleaning, analysis, and visualization, can actually be turned into a reusable workflow. Instead of repeating the steps every time, we can save this as a personalized skill. Here's the instruction about how to save a workflow as a reusable skill or paste an existing skill file. Let's save this as a skill. You can just copy here and back to the conversation. I'd like to give the skill name as survey data analysis pipeline, and this is the description and specific instruction. We recommend you give as more information as you can to ApexClaw, which will be more precise. Now you need to stop and restart the machine to make the new skill available. Let's open a new conversation to see if this one has become a reusable skill. Here it is, survey data analysis pipeline. So next time, I can just run the same skill on a new dataset in seconds. Last but not least, you can see your available credits at the top. ApexClaw runs on a usage-based credit system, and you can always purchase more if needed. We also provide daily credits just by logging in. You will receive additional credits. Every user gets 500 free credits every day. Thank you for watching this video. For more advanced features and education videos, please follow us on social media. Stay tuned.